Medical disclaimer. The information presented in this channel is for educational purposes only. It is not intended as medical diagnostic or prescribing procedures.
Butyrate and your health. Butyrate is a simple molecule produced within your gut and plays a surprisingly significant and multifaceted role in regulating your complex defense system, the immune system. Butyrate is a short-chain fatty acid produced when beneficial gut bacteria ferment dietary fiber in your colon. Short-chain fatty acids play an important role in human health, particularly within the gastrointestinal tract. Butyrate is a primary energy source for colonocytes, the cells lining the colon, and plays a pivotal role in maintaining intestinal integrity. Butyrate is more than just fuel for the gut. It is a powerful signaling molecule that impacts immune regulation, inflammation, and systemic health. Inflammation is a natural and essential bodily response to injury, infection, or irritation. It is your body's way of signaling that something is incorrect, and that is initiating the healing process. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, persisting for extended periods, it contributes to a wide array of health problems, including cardiovascular disease, arthritis, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and autoimmune disorders. In addition to its direct effects on inflammatory pathways, butyrate strengthens your gut barrier, preventing the translocation of harmful bacteria and toxins into your bloodstream. Butyrate profoundly influences T cell function, shaping immune responses and maintaining balance between pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory pathways. Inflammatory bowel disease, including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, is among the most extensively studied autoimmune conditions in the context of butyrate. These diseases involve chronic inflammation of the digestive tract, driven by an overactive immune response to gut microbiota. Research demonstrates that butyrate reduces inflammation in the intestinal lining, promotes tissue repair, and improves overall gut health. Butyrate, produced by gut bacteria during fiber fermentation, plays a vital role in immune regulation, inflammation control, and overall health. Its ability to support gut integrity and influence immune cell function highlights its therapeutic potential for addressing autoimmune diseases and other chronic conditions. How to increase butyrate production? To increase butyrate production, it's essential to nourish the beneficial bacteria in your colon that produce it, a process that occurs only in the colon. According to a study published in Pharmacological Research, butyrate has been shown to promote metabolic health by improving body weight and composition, lipid profile, insulin sensitivity, and glycemia in animal models of metabolic syndrome. However, while promoting butyrate production through dietary interventions like increasing fiber intake is generally recommended, this assumes that you have a properly functioning gut. For those with compromised gut health, simply going for a high fiber intake to promote SCFA production is highly counterproductive. Why? Because when you eat fiber with an imbalanced gut microbiome, the bad bacteria, oxygen-tolerant bacteria, will ferment the fiber and produce endotoxins that undermine metabolism and cellular function. To truly benefit from a high-fiber diet, you need to first heal and seal your gut so that beneficial bacteria can thrive. Getting enough carbs is an important part of that process. If your gut is severely compromised, it is recommended you kickstart your gut healing with dextrose water. Simply mix pure dextrose with water and sip slowly to avoid spiking your insulin levels. Attention! Dextrose water is a short-term solution that should only be used for 1 or 2 weeks. After 1 to 2 weeks, start the transition to other, increasingly more complex carb sources, starting with whole fruits and white rice. Ripe, whole fruits provide essential nutrients, healthy carbohydrates, and dietary fiber that your gut needs to produce butyrate and other SCFAs. As a bonus, your bowel movements will also become more regular. How do you know if you have a healthy gut? The 5 indicators of good gut health are: 1. Regular bowel movements, 1 to 3 times daily. 2. Minimal bloating or discomfort. 3. The ability to digest a wide variety of food. 4. Good energy levels. 5. Proper nutrient absorption. When you eat fiber-rich whole foods, your gut bacteria ferment that fiber, producing SCFAs as a byproduct. Excellent sources of dietary fiber include fruits like apples, berries, and bananas, and vegetables, especially leafy greens, broccoli, and carrots. Other gut-friendly carbs include well-cooked white rice, sourdough bread, root vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes, and fresh, ripe fruits. The more variety of produce and high-fiber carbohydrates you include, the more you encourage a broad array of friendly bacteria to do their job well. Fermented foods also contribute to this ecosystem. Yogurt with live cultures made from grass-fed milk, kefir, and sauerkraut all bring beneficial microbes to your gut, enhancing butyrate production. These foods repopulate your digestive tract with helpful bacteria, which, in turn, maintain or boost your butyrate output. By blending high-fiber foods with fermented choices, you create a synergy that helps you maintain healthy digestion and benefit from the many roles that butyrate plays in your body's immune and metabolic systems.